My name is Roland Hermann from SAP Visions, and I explain you today why you should use VisionX, the low-code platform. You can build with them very fast and very easy any web or mobile application. So, challenges from the business department are very clear. Excel sheets make always troubles and errors, manual data entry, paper-based processes need forever, software with complicated user interfaces are really unacceptable in our opinion, and existing softwares and systems are often not talking to each other, and that's hard to make the daily business for the business department. Challenges from the IT department with the development of software are also there. Shortage of IT experts, slow software development, and the implementation times are very, very long for all these digitalization projects. And that's for sure problems that need to be solved. With VisionX, you're 2 to 5 times faster than with classic software development approaches. So even people from the business department are now able to build applications themselves. So business users or even more trained citizen developers, what basically are business users with a little skills, and also the IT department like requirements engineer, junior developers, all kind of guys from the IT department now can build really applications. So sure, a pro developer helps you to be faster, but it's not necessary to have them. The challenges with the most low-code platforms are very limited and closed. You have a full vendor login, so you're completely dependent from the vendor. And many users often means very high costs. And we absolutely tackle these challenges. With VisionX, you get a 100% flexible and integrative platform. You can connect and use any of the major databases, the database vendors. You can connect to any REST API of all the SaaS services, internal services that are there. A lot of them are already pre-configured. You can easily configure it visually. When you be more from the technical side, you can use any versioning control, CI/CD pipeline tools in the background. The results you can deploy, install, run in any cloud, in the VisionX cloud or on-premise. You're completely flexible with that. Everywhere where Java is running, it's running. And you have also any authentication options like AD authentication with Microsoft AD and all other stuff more. You can really change everything. Why we can say we have no vendor login? The reason why is we generate applications and we generate the code in the background. You never need to see it or to touch it, but the code is yours. So that means basically you have the app yourself. So if you would cancel our subscription, you would still have your application. That's no dependency to us. This application uses only open source frameworks, so you can edit it in any of the Java IDEs that is existing in the market, and even more. You can also edit and you can run it independently from VisionX. So you can run it in your infrastructure or the infrastructure you like. You stay 100% independent from us. We have also a very great feature, so you can easily build it visually, the application, but you can always go to the code and change it, and that at the same time, and that is always synchronized. That means you can really build everything, because with code you can extend it with everything what you need, and that makes 100% unlimited development and a low-code platform where you can build from very simple solutions to very complex solutions, everything. We have scalable pricing because it's the current pricing of the most low-code platforms are, in our opinion, not very fair. So we really see that differently. So you pay for each of your developers or basically users that build VisionX applications. And for the end users that use your application that you have built, you pay nothing. So basically you can make as many apps and for as many users as you like, also for 10,000s of users, no extra cost. You pay only for one developer if one developer built this application. That's it. And I think that's very fair. We have a lot of very large customers worldwide, but also a lot of small ones and medium ones. But usually on slides, you put always them. They are the big ones that maybe are known well. You can build web applications like this customer portal that Pistenbulle have built. It's a very complex system at the end of the day. You can build mobile applications for location tracking, insurance claim management, or anything else you imagine. It's native apps. Sure, the web applications run also on the mobile device. You can integrate with everything. All of the major database vendors you can connect, all of the REST services. And everything you build with VisionX is also available as a REST service that others can connect to your applications. You have a full workflow engine with all the features that usually workflow engines have. You have a debugger, you have email templating, you have a complete UI integration. You can build all the typical processes, business process, approval processes with them, and that's very easy in a visual design. In addition to that, we have an action editor where you can build logic into your application. Visually, again, sure, but this case, code is generated in the background. What it makes it a little easier for coders later to extend it with more complex code if relevant. We have smart bricks, or how we can say we have a marketplace where you have extensions for your applications, where you can get extra modules for audit logs so that all data changes are being tracked, and a lot of more of these features. We have cross-platform app development in the background. That means you build the application once and it runs on the web, on the mobile, without any code change. So you're really be technology independent and everything is running. You can design everything. You have templates. We have a designer for the web UI that you can change it easily to your needs, and you can change really everything. In addition, we have a reporting where you can design your reports in Word and Excel. You can also get a PDF if you want, and there's a placeholder system where all the data get filled in. So it's very easy to use, but very powerful. Thank you very much. Any info,